A tiny wearable camera with 4K video, Wi-Fi sharing, and stabilization. Today we're testing the Lenovo Pocket Cam. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're reviewing the Lenovo Pocket Cam 2026 edition, a compact wearable camera designed for vlogging, motorcycle rides, travel, and outdoor adventures. But can this tiny camera actually replace your phone or action cam? Let's find out. First impressions. This thing is seriously compact, lightweight, portable design. Durable aluminum alloy body, easy handheld or wearable use, travel-friendly pocket size. You can clip it onto gear, carry it in your pocket, or even use it while riding a motorcycle. It's clearly designed for creators who want something small and convenient. Now let's talk about video quality. The Lenovo Pocket Cam supports 4K HD video recording, Wi-Fi file transfer, video stabilization, fun emoji effects for content creation. The footage looks sharp in daylight, and stabilization helps reduce shaky movement while walking or riding. For casual vlogging and social media content, it performs surprisingly well. This is where the camera becomes really interesting. Because of its compact design, you can use it for motorcycle rides, travel vlogs, outdoor adventures, POV recording, everyday hands-free filming. It feels more flexible than a traditional bulky camera. The built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing content much easier. Transfer videos directly to your phone, upload quickly to social media, remote control support, faster workflow for creators, and if you create TikToks, shorts, or reels, this portability becomes super useful. In real-world use, the Lenovo Pocket Cam feels designed for beginner vloggers, travelers, motorcycle riders, social media creators, everyday outdoor filming. It's simple, lightweight, and easy to carry almost anywhere. So, is the Lenovo Pocket Cam worth buying? Ultra-portable design, 4K recording support, Wi-Fi connectivity, smooth stabilized footage. Great for travel and outdoor use. But not a professional cinema camera. Low light quality may be limited. Small size means fewer advanced controls. Still, for casual creators and travelers, this is a fun little gadget with a lot of convenience. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.